Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll come to you after that.
Thank you very much. Saima Shabir from Arab News. Sir, my question is related to tomorrow's meeting by DGMOs. Pakistan has declared the suspension of Indus Water Treaty as an act of war. So if tomorrow on the agenda, this Indus Water Treaty suspension is on the table and India does not call it off, I mean, it does not regulate it again, and it is suspended till the time. So what would be the strategy by Pakistan Army, because Pakistan has called it an act of war?
So the position of the government of Pakistan on the Indus Water Treaty is absolutely clear, and no further comment is needed on that. Our Turkish friend over here is raising his hands again and again. Skardu, okay. I thought you are from the Andolo news agency.
Sir, many people thought I am Chinese here.
Yes. Khaplu, great place. Great place.
Sir, I am from Khaplu Chwar at the border area, just a half hour from the Indian border.
Okay.
Sir, I am from British.
Okay. Sorry for the mistaken identity.
So we can go with the question.
Sir, my question is that
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।